this video, I'm going to show you how to use your VA loan to purchase multifamily properties. This is Tasha with eXp Realty, and I'm a real estate investor and realtor in Los Angeles area. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your VA loan to purchase multifamily properties. And if you're not familiar with the VA loan, it's a government-backed mortgage that offers 100% financing and no PMI. So if you're looking for a low down payment option for purchasing multifamily properties, the VA loan is actually a great way to go. So what are multifamily properties? They are 1 to 4 units, and these are considered residential, not commercial. More than 5 units are considered commercial. So I'm talking a duplex, triplex, quadplex. So those properties are definitely available to you as a military member. The benefits of investing in multifamily properties is you can buy a more expensive property than maybe you normally would have been able to afford with a single family. And it's great because you will have the tenants that is helping you with paying your mortgage. So that's always a benefit. And so I want to talk a little bit too about how you can evaluate these properties. So these are going to be a lot different than your traditional single family homes. You're going to look at the cost of the property itself, of course, and most likely you're going to look at the income of the other units as well, or the most likely income of the other units. So you're going to be comparing those. If all of them are not occupied, then you're going to want to look at homes that have rented out in the area, apartments.com. There are several other tools that can help you with evaluating what the rents are. And of course, you can always ask us to help you with evaluating these. In high cost markets like LA, you're essentially looking for your portion of the housing to be below what you would pay if you were buying or renting on your own. So when you're purchasing multifamily, you have other people that are renting out the other units. So then that also helps offset your cost as well. So that's something to keep in mind if you are considering multifamily, or if you never even knew that this was available as an option. That's why I put together this video to educate you on what your options are. So let's talk a little bit about the due diligence process. So whenever you get under contract, you're going to want to do an inspection of all of the units. So if it has 4 units, you're going to want to do 4 inspections. And you're also going to want to make sure that you get the rent rolls, any utility bills, any lease agreements, and then you'll also want the tenant estoppel certificates that identifies agreements between the landlord and the tenants that are not documented in the lease. So there may be some things that they agreed on outside of the lease agreement. So you'll want to make sure to request those. Those are in the offer whenever you're making the offer. So just make sure to let us know, let your realtor know that you want those things. That's a little bit about how the due diligence process works here. Financing your multifamily investment. So a lot of people don't know that whenever you can purchase a multifamily property with 0 down using your VA loan, and even though it's at a higher bracket, there are no VA, there's no cap. The cap is whatever you can get qualified and pre-approved up to. So you can buy a $2 million. We've helped people buy $2+ million properties that are multifamily because of the fact that they are renting out the other units. You only have to pay for your inspections on the property and your closing costs. So that is one of the major benefits of using your VA loan, is the 0 down on a multifamily property. So that also brings me to another point. When you are investing in multifamily, the lender will ask you if you have done property management in the past or managed any other properties. And if you have not managed any other properties, they would like for you to have a property management company in place prior to closing. So you can contact us. We can give you a few that we recommend that you can reach out to get that in place before you close if you do not have any experience whatsoever with that. So we can definitely help you with the next steps for that. We are really well versed in helping military find and buy multifamily properties here in the LA and surrounding areas. So if that's something that you are interested in, I'm going to leave a link down below. So you'll want to click on that link to schedule a call with me and my team so we can help you in discussing what your next steps are and finding that right property for you. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you next time.